Today I'm going to be reviewing Jpoht's cervical pillow. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. This is the box that comes in, but let's go check out the pillow. And here's the pillow. So you've got the lower side and the higher side, depending on how you want to use this. I used it last night on the lower side. Just put my head in here and it was super comfortable. This is memory foam, as you can see. So I found this very comfortable. I have some neck and shoulder issues, so this was nice. I'm going to put a picture of some other positions. You can sleep on the side. You can sleep forward with your arms like this in there. Easy to wash. All you have to do is unzip this, take it off, and you can wash this. This is 24 inches by 13 width. Now, this doesn't have a lot of reviews. It only has 3.7 stars, which I don't like to see. I like to see at least 4.4, but there's only 8 reviews, and I went through them, and you'll have to go check them yourself. For me, they're throwaways. We just don't have enough reviews to be able to decide what most people are thinking on this. I think if you need this and you like this way to sleep, it's going to be great for you. Some people may just not like this, but if you have neck issues, if you have shoulder issues or other problems, this might be worth a try. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.